Hello students, now we will start exercise 6.3 of chapter 6 squares and square roots of standard 8. Now question number 4 we will start. So question number 4 is find the square roots of the following numbers by the method of prime factorization method. Now we will use prime factorization and we will find out the square root of the given numbers. So let us see. First one is 729. So here the method is prime factorization method. So you can use only prime numbers. Okay, first of all, prime factorization method we are using. So prime numbers only we can use. Okay, and prime numbers are the numbers which have only two factors, 1 and itself. They don't come in any other table. They come only in the table of 1 and itself. So such numbers you can take. Okay, you can't start with any number कि चलो 40 है तो 10 4 जा 40 ले लिया. No, not that factors. You can't take like that. We have to take prime factors. Now let us start 729. So first we will take out the factors of 729. So 729. Now you have already learnt divisibility rules in your previous classes. In 5th standard it was there. So last digit is 9. So which table you will start? Okay, you can't start with 2. Now if you take the sum of the digits, 7 plus 2 9 and 9 plus 9 18. So sum of the digit is equal to 18. So it can come in the table of 3. So now we will start with the table of 3. So now we will start with the table of 3. So 3 2s are 6. 1 left because 7 is there. So 1 left. So this 1 and 2, 12. 12 means 3 4s are 12 and 9 means 3 3s are. So this way you can do. The digits are big, so one by one you can orally we are dividing it. Okay, if you are not comfortable you can divide on the side and you can check it, but it will take a lot of time dividing in every steps. Okay, so orally we are dividing it. Now next step, again we can take the table of 3. So in 3 table 24 is coming. 3 8s are 24 and 3 1s are 3. So 3 81s are 243. Now 81 is also coming in the table of 3 because 8 plus 1 is 9. So divisibility rules. Okay, so 3 2s are 6, 7, 8. 2 left, 2 1 21 means 3 7s are 21. Now 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So factorization is done and all the numbers means 3 only we have used, so that is prime number. Now we will find out the square root. So square root of 729 will be equal to, now we will write all these factors what we have got. So 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Now these all factors we will write inside root because we are finding square root. Now we have to pair up these factors. So this 3 2 times, this 2 times and this 2 times. So square root of this 2 times, okay, this 3 3 2 times, 3 square, and this last one 3 square 2 times. Okay, so total 6 was there and here 3 times 3 will we will write. We are making 2 2 pairing. Why? Because we are doing square root. Okay, now the value of this root is half, 1 upon 2. The value of this root is half. So it means that 3 square into 3 square into 3 square and this whole they are inside root. And what is the value of root? The value of root is half, means whole raised to half, 1 upon 2. So what happens? This 2 gets cancelled off with the root because this root is half. So this half we will multiply here also, we will multiply here also, we will multiply here also. So this half will get cancelled. So that is why this square what we are writing, that will get cancelled off with the root and only 3 3 and 3 will be left. Okay, I hope you understood this step. or if you wish I will show you the calculation, but it is not needed. You can pair up and you can take single 3 from that. So as I told you, this root means half. This is the value of root. So this root is, okay, this root is on this whole part. So this root is for this everything whatever is inside the root. So 3 square into half. This half means root. Root की जो value होती है that is half, 1/2. Again second 3 square into the half. This half will be multiplied with this power. Whatever is given on the top with this power. This is called power or exponent. So 3 square into half. So what will happen? This 2 into half, they are in multiply, so this 2 and 2 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel, 2 and 2 cancel. So 3 raised to 1 left. So 3 raised to 1 left means only 1 time 3. Here also 1 time 3 and here also 1 time 3. Okay, so these steps you don't have to show. This is just for understanding. From second sum we will not show this. Okay, this is just for understanding that why this 2 gets removed. Okay. In other videos I have gone through directly, they have shown that 2 pairing and then out of 2 we are taking 1 time 3. But why? This is the actual reason, because we are finding square root and the value of root is half. So with this half, this square gets cancelled off. This is the reason. Now 3 3s are 9 and 9 3s are 27. So 27 is the answer. So 27 is the square root of 729. Means to 27 को आप 2 times multiply करोगे तो answer will be 729. So your final answer is 27. So this was first one. Now we will see next sum. Second question is 400. Now we will take out the factor of 400. Now I will show you the simple and easy way. This was just for understanding part. Now I'll show you 400. We will take out the factors first of all. So 400 we will take out the factor. So again we will start with 2. 2 is also prime number. Okay, so we have to compulsorily take only prime numbers, not any number. You will tell that okay, आप लोग सोचोगे कि 10 4 या 10 40 okay, या तो 100 4 400 easily हो जाएगा and steps will be less, but you can't take 10 and 4 because they are not prime. You can take only prime numbers. So we have to start with 2. So 2 2s are 4 and this 2 0. So 2 200s are. Again 2 1s are. Now 2 5s are is 10 and this 0 as it is. So 2 50s are 100. Now 2 25s are 50 and 25 will not come in the table of 2. So now we have to take another prime number. So we will start with 5. So 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So these are the factors of 400. Now we will find out the square root of 400. So here we will do square root of 400. So that will be equal to, we will write all these factors. So 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4 times and into 5 into 5. So these all factors that we are writing, that should be written under root. Okay, now we will make 2 2 pairing. So this 2 under the root, this 2 times into this 2 times and this 5 2 times. Okay, now this 2 what I have written, this gets cancelled off with the root. रूट के साथ ये रिमूव हो जाएगा. Why that I have explained you in previous sum. So directly we will write 2 2 and 5. 2 2 and 5. First we will make pair and out of that pair we will take only 1 time 2. And now you will multiply. So 2 2s are 4 and 4 5s are 20. So 20 is the answer. So 20 is the square root of 400. This was second sum. So you can write that square root of 400 is 20. So this was second part, second sum. Now we will see third one. Now we will see third question. Third one is 1764. So again we will find out factor of 1764. Again last digit is 4, so we can start with 2. So we will start with 2. So 2 8s are 16. 17 is not coming but 16 is coming. So 1 left. Again 1 6 16 means 2 8s are and 2 2s are 4. So 8 8 2. Now again next step with 2. So 2 4s are 8, 2 4s are 8 and 2 1s are 2. Now 4 4 1. So we can take with the table of 3. This will come in the table of 3. Last digit is 1, odd number. It will not come in the table of 2. Now we will start with 3. It will come in 3. Because for 3, what is the divisibility rule? How you can check whether this number is coming with 3 stable or not? 4 plus 4 plus 1. Okay, by doing this. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So 9 is coming in the table of 3. Yes. So this number will also come. So this is divisibility rule what I am using. So you have already studied divisibility rule in your lower class. So now we will take table of 3. So 3 ones are 3. Now 1 left, 1 4, 14 is left. So we will take 3 4s are 12. Now 2 left here. So 2 and 1, 21 means 3 7s are 21. Now again we can take table of 3. Again 3 4s are 12. So 13, 14, 2 left. So 2 and 7, 27 means 3 9s are. Okay. Now 49 is not coming in the table of 3 because 9 plus 4 is 13. So 13 3 के टेबल में नहीं आता है. So 49 भी नहीं आएगा. Now we will take 7 7s are 49. Okay, now we can take 7 7s are. Now 7 1s are 7. So these are the factors. Now we will write the factor of this. So now square root of 1764 will be equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. We will write all these factors. 2 2 times, 3 2 times and 7 2 times. This all we will write under root. Now we will pair up. 2 is 2 times. So 2 is 2 times. Multiply by 3 2 times and then multiply by 7 2 times. So this we are getting. Now as I told you, this square gets cancelled off with this root. So only 2 into 3 into 7 is left. 2 into 3 into 7. So now we will multiply this to 2 3s are 6 and 6 7s are 42. So 42 is the square root of 1764. Means if you do 42 into 42, 2 times you will get this answer. So square root of 1764 is equal to 42. This is your answer. Now moving ahead with fourth sum. Now we will see fourth question. Fourth question is 4096. 4096. Now we will take out factor of 4096. Again we can start with 2. Last digit is 6. Even number, so we can start with 2. So 2 2s are 4. Okay, and here 0. 2 4s are 8. 1 left. 1 6 16. So 2 8s are. Okay. Now next step again with 2. So 2 1s are 2. 2 0s are 0 and 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8. 1 0 2 4. Again 2 5s are 10. 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Again with 2. So it will be 2 2s are 4. 1 left. So 1 and 1 11. So 2 5s are we will take 10. Again 1 left. 1 2 12 means 2 6 are. Okay, so 256. Now 2 1s are 2. 2 2s are 4. 1 left. So 2 8s are 16. Now 2 6s are 12 and 2 4s are 8. Now this is simple. 2 3s are 6 and 2 2s are 4. 2 16s are is 32. 2 8s are is 16. 2 4s are is 8. 2 2s are is 4 and 2 1s are is 2. So these are the factors of 4096. Now we will write up all these factors and we will find out the root. So square root of 4096 will be equal to square root of, now we will write all this. So 2 is how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 times. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So 12 times this 2 we will write inside the root. This whole part inside the root. So root of this whole part. Now again we will make 2 2 pairing. So this time this 2 time, this 2 time, this 2 time, this 2 time, this 2 time and this 2 time. So again in the root 2 2 times, again 2 2 times, again 2 2 times. This we are writing this 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So these all are under the root. Okay, so with this square this root is cancelled off. Now what is left? Now we have to write single digit. So 2 left into 2 left, again into 2 left, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 2 left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So 6 times 2 left. So now we will multiply this. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 16 2s are 32 and 32 2s are, if you don't know, you can multiply on the side, it will be 64. So our answer is 64. So what is our answer? Our answer will be 64. Okay, so I am writing this side. Therefore, square root of 4096 is 64. So square root of 4096 is 64. So 64, if you multiply 2 times, you will get 4096. So this was fourth sum. Hope you understood. Now we will see fifth question, 7744. So again we will start with 2. Okay, because this is even number. So 2 3s are 6, 1 left. So 1 7 17. So 2 8s are 16 we will take. Again 1 left, 1 4 14 means 2 7s are, and then last 2 2s are 4. Again with 2. So 2 1s are 2. Again 1 left and 1 8 18 left. So 2 9s are 18. Now 2 3s are 6 and here 2 6 are 12. So 1 9 3 6. Now again with 2. So 2 9s are 18 we will take. 1 left, 1 3 is 13. So 2 6 are 12 we will take. Again 1 left, 1 6 16 means 2 8s are. So 9 68. Again we will take with 2. So here 2 4s are 8. 1 left. So 2 8s are 16 and 2 4s are 8. So 4 8 4. Now again with 2. So 2 2s are 4. Okay. So we will get 2 2s are, just a minute, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8 and 2 2s are 4. Again with 2 we will start. So 2 1s are, 2 2s are and again 2 1s are. Now 121 is a prime number. It will not come in any table. But you know that 11 11s is 121. 11 square is 121. So we have to take directly 11. 11 11s are 121 and 11 1s are 11. So these are the factors. Now we will write all these factors and we will find out square root. So square root of 7744 will be equal to square root of this 2 is how many times? 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 11 2 times. So into 11 into 11. Now we will make pair of 2. So 2 square. Again this 2 and this 2. So again 2 square. Again this 2 times. So 2 square. Again this 11 2 times. So 11 square. Now this square will get cancelled with the root. So what is left? 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. So this is left 2 into 2 into 2 into 11. Now we will multiply all this. So 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 and 8 11s are 88. So 88 is the square root of 7744. So if you multiply 88 2 times, you will get this answer. So this was 5 sums of exercise 6.3 question number 4. Hope you understood. Now remaining 5 sums you will try yourself.